Listen, hey, listen all of you. You have to know English. First of all, grammar. You know that. Are you okay? First of all topics grammar. Sentence pattern. Topic only. Sentence pattern. Degrees of comparison. Active, passive. Direct and indirect. Direct and indirect speech. Noun, verb, auxiliary verb, modal auxiliary verb. You know this. Noun. Noun means perpetual. Noun. Pronoun means predicatual. Pronoun. Verb. Verb means vinatual. Adverb. Adverb means வினையை சிறப்பிக்கின்ற ஒரு சொல். adjective. Adjective means பெயரை சிறப்பிக்கின்ற ஒரு சொல். articles, conjunction, இணைப்பு சொல். exclamation, ஆச்சரியம், ஆச்சரியமான ஒரு சொல் exclamation. You have to know this. spot the error. You know, spot the error. Are you okay? You know, spot the error. Compound words. Another one, simple compound complex words. Please stop there. Phone. Please stop there. Phone. Listen here. First of all, types of sentences. Statement or assertive sentences. Imperative sentences. Interrogative sentences, exclamative sentences. First of all, you know this. Another parts of this: noun, verb, pronoun, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, exclamation. Another, listen here. Wait, don't love that. Listen here. Don't love, keep quiet. First question, the teacher said to the students, what are you doing? This is interrogative sentence. The teacher said to the student, the sunrise in the east. This is statement. Are you okay? Do you understand, all of you? Do you understand? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Will you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to direct and indirect speech. Say all of you. Report the following indirect speech. First of all, the teacher said, India became a republic on 26 January 1950. This is indirect speech. You convert the teacher said, comma quotation and the inverted comma remove, India, conjunction that India became republic on 26 January 1950. Conjunction that, comma quotation and inverted comma remove. Again and again I say this is statement model. Statement model, because conjunction that. Not schedule means schedule on the told போடுங்க, schedule வரலனா said போடுங்க. So ஓகேவா? The teacher said, comma quotation remove, conjunction that India became republic on 26 January 1950. இந்தியா குடியரசு நாடானது 1950ல 26. இது வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது. எந்த விதத்திலும் இந்த verb சேஞ்ச் பண்ண கூடாது. ஏன்னா உண்மையான ஒரு விஷயம். குடியரசு என்பது அதை மாற்றி நீங்க எழுதக்கூடாது. சேஞ்ச் பண்ண கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணவே கூடாது. இருக்கிறத அப்படியே எழுதணும். அவ்வளவு கஷ்டம். The supervisor said the employees were working yesterday. supervisor சொன்னாரு, என்ன சொன்னாரு? The employees were working yesterday. எம்ப்ளாயி எல்லாம் வேலை செய்யற வேலையாட்கள்லாம் நேத்து ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. So the supervisor said that The employers had been working the day before. What I say, do you understand? Don't love that. Will you please? The supervisor said this is statement model. This sentence is statement model or assertive sentence or declarative sentence. So okay, are you okay? The supervisor said, comma operation and inverted comma. Remove. Assumption that the employers were working yesterday had been working. இது செட் பாசஸ் வந்தாங்க இந்த பக்கம் பாசஸ் வந்தாங்க வேற வந்தா had been போடணும். ரைட் சைடுல பாசஸ் வந்தா had been போடணும். present continuous வந்தா past continuous. present continuous வந்தா past continuous போடணும். The tourist said, tourist சொன்னா which is the best place in this locality. எது வந்து நல்ல பெஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் டூர் பார்க்கிறதுக்கு அப்படி கேட்டீங்கன்னா the tourist enquire பண்றாரு விசாரிக்கிறார் enquire பண்றார் which is the best place எது வந்து best place. What is the model this? The tourist said enquire பண்றார் which was the best place in that locality. The PT master said to the student, run a mile every day. PT master சொல்றாரு மாணவர்கிட்ட ஒரு மைலாவது நீங்க டெய்லி போகணும் நடந்து ரன் பண்ணணும் ஓடணும் அப்படின்னு. ஸோ அட்வைஸ் பண்றாரு. The PT master advised to the student, order or request advice. What is the conjunction? To run a mile every day, no change. Prem said, how wonderful the Taj is. This is the exclamation sentence. The Prem exclaimed that the Taj was very wonderful. The Taj was very wonderful. Are you okay? Prem said, how wonderful the Taj is. The Taj was very wonderful. How beautiful the Taj is. The Taj was very wonderful. What a beautiful the peacock is. The peacock was very beautiful. The coach said, wow, you have played well. Coach சொல்றாரு, wow, you have played well. நீங்க நல்லா விளையாடிருக்கீங்க. Listen here. So the coach order request exclamation. The coach exclaimed with joy. You have played well. They had played it well. My father said to me, என் அப்பா என்கிட்ட சொன்னாரு, are you going to the library now? இப்போ லைப்ரரி போய் கொண்டிருக்கிறாயா? My father told, no. This is if yes or no. Yes or no. What is the model? Yes or no. What is the model?
Yes, sir.
Are you going? No interrogative. Imperative sentence. What is the imperative sentence? So ask me. My father asked me if are you going? Me. I was going to the library. Then how wonderful the peacock's dance is. He said. He exclaimed. Listen here. He exclaimed that the peacock's dance was wonderful. He said, I will walk tomorrow. He said, this is statement model. He said that he would walk the next day or following day. He said, I shall have walked 2 miles by tomorrow. He said that he shall would have walked 2 miles by the following day or next day. Do you understand? He said that is going
Easy.
okay. Next, do you remember degrees of comparison? Do you remember all of you? Degrees of comparison. Anybody say the answer? My father is the richest man in the town. This is superlative degree. You change, you convert comparative degree. Anybody stand? My father is the richest man in the town. This is superlative degree. You convert comparative degree. My father is richer than any other man in the town. No other man in the town is so rich as my father. This is first reading. Mumbai is the biggest city in India. Another one. I say Mumbai is the biggest city in India. Mumbai is bigger than any other city in India. This is comparative degree. No other city in India is so big as Mumbai. Mala is the tallest girl in our school. This is super degree. Anybody's change? Mala is taller than any other girl in our school. No other girl in our school is so tall as Mala. Do you know all of you? Do you know Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalayas? Anybody say? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalayas. Mount Everest is higher than any other peak in the Himalayas. No other peak in the Himalayas is so tall as Mount Everest. Sachin Tendulkar is there. Sachin Tendulkar was one of the best cricket player in India. One of them all. Sachin Tendulkar was one of the greatest cricket player in India. Do you know one of the model? Akbar was one of the greatest Indian kings. Akbar was greater than many other Indian kings. Very few Indian kings were as great as Akbar. Do you know all of you? Easy. A is taller than B. B is not taller. A. Ooty is cooler than Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal is not so cool as Ooty. Do you know? Ramu is taller than Somu. Somu is not so tall. Do you know easy? Do you know this is degrees of comparison. This is degrees of comparison. Active passive. Another one. That. So active voice, passive voice. Seivinai, Sayamativai. I drive a car. A car is driven by me. This is simple present tense. I drove a car. A car was driven by me. I will drive a car. A car will be driven by me. That's all. Simple present, simple past, simple future. I am driving a car. A car is being driven by me. I was driving a car. A car was being driven by me. I will be driving a car. No passive voice. I have drive a car. A car has been driven by me. I had driven a car. A car has been driven by me. I shall have driven a car. No passive voice. Okay, class? Do you understand all of you? Ideas, passive voice. How is going? Is that is going?
Easy.
Anybody say the answer? I drink coffee. This is simple present tense. I drink coffee. You change. Anybody stand? I drink coffee. Coffee is drank by me. Coffee drank by me. Do you know all of you? This topic is over. Noun. What do you mean by noun? Factual. Noun. Factual. You know what? Factual. Proper noun. Common noun, connecting noun, abstract noun, material noun. Are you okay? Noun. Pronoun. What do you mean by pronoun? I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Do you know first person, second person, third person? I, first person. You, second person. He, she, they, third person. Tanmay, Munilai. Spot the error means articles, preposition எல்லாமே வரும். articles வரும், preposition வரும். தவறா கொடுப்பாங்க. அத நாம சரியா அத ரைட் பண்ணனும். அதான் spot the error. Next another topic. Gerund means ing. Infinitive. Do you know gerund? Infinitive, certification, homophone, homonyms, 3 suffix, you know. This clear, huh? That will get clear. Clear? You stand. Anybody stand? Anybody don't stand? Say the answer. The teacher said, yeah, we can give our count. What is it? January 1950.
The teacher said that the
Yeah, you stand up. Say answer. The teacher.
The teacher said that India became republic on 26 January.
Excellent, you are. Sit down. You are excellent. Next question. Another one. The supervisor said, the employees were working yesterday. Anybody stand? Anybody say the answer? No problem. Anybody stand? Say the answer. The supervisor said, the employees were working yesterday.
Future perfect continuous.
One example, one exercise. I to say, listen. I write a letter. I write a letter. This is simple present tense. I wrote a letter. This is past tense. I will write a letter. This is future tense. I am writing a letter. This is present continuous tense. I was writing a letter. This is past continuous tense. I will be writing a letter. Future continuous tense. I have written a letter. This is present perfect. I have written a letter. Past perfect tense. I shall have written a letter. Past future perfect tense. I have been writing a letter. Present perfect continuous tense.
Tense.
I have been writing a letter. Past perfect continuous tense. Next. I shall have been writing a letter. Future perfect continuous tense. Easy. This is easy. You said meaning only. I have been teaching in English grammar for the past 30 years. What do you mean by it? I have been teaching in English grammar for the past 30 years. What I say? You said a meaning. 30 years. I have been watching TV since morning. காலையிலிருந்து நானே டிவி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறேன். புரியுதுங்களா? I have been writing my homework since morning. This is present continuous
Tense.
Do you know? Easy. Since or for? Are you clear now? Now the class is over.